Okay, so in the circles, important long answer questions. In the important long answer questions, okay, so we are going to get, okay, so this model, finding the direct common tangents or transverse common tangents is one of the most important method, one of the most important method in this. Okay, so now we are going to discuss, okay, so this problem now, this method, okay. So here find the equation of the direct common tangents to the circle x square plus y square plus 22x minus 4y minus 100 equals to 0, x square plus y square minus 22x plus 4y plus 100 equals to 0. Okay, so first I am writing the given equations here. Okay, so given circles, given circles. I am taking the first circle as yes, that is x square plus y square plus 22x minus 4y minus 100 equals to 0. This is the equation number 1. I am taking the second circle as is this, that is x square plus y square minus 22x and plus 4y plus 100 equal to 0. Okay, this is equation number 2. Take one equation. Okay, that is okay, first circle I am taking as yes. So x square plus y square plus 22x minus 4y minus 100 equal to 0. This is the first equation. Now I am comparing with the general equation. What is 2g value? 22. What is 2f value? Minus 4. What is constant? C value minus 100. Okay, so here g value is 22 divided by 2, that is 11, and f value minus 4 by 2, that is minus 2. Okay, after that I am writing the center here. What is the center here? Minus g comma minus f is the center. Okay, so that means plus 11 becomes minus 11 and minus 12 becomes plus minus 2 becomes plus 2. This is the center. Okay, I am taking this as the C and radius I am taking as R. So R is equals to radius of this circle. Okay, so is equals to, okay, so under root of, what is the formula? G square plus F square minus C. Okay, so now if we apply the formula, G square 11 square is 121 and F square minus 2 whole square 4 minus C. Okay, so remember here minus of minus 100. Okay, becomes plus 100 it is. Okay, 124, 1 plus 4, 125 plus 100, that is 225. Okay, 225 we can write as 15 square is 225, square root cancel. So we get the radius as 15. We get the radius as 15. Okay, so now after that I am taking the second circle now. Okay, so now here S dash is equals to S dash is equals to x square plus y square. Okay, so plus 22x. Okay, what we have is it plus 22x or minus 20? Okay, minus 22x plus 4y plus 100 minus 22x plus 4y plus 100 equal to 0. Equal to 0. For this equation also, okay, we have to take the center, that is okay, so g minus f, find the center. So how do we find? By comparing 2g x coefficient minus 22, 2f y coefficient, that is 4, and constant c is equals to 100. What is g value here? Minus 22 by 2, that is 11, and f value 4 by 2, that is 2, and the c value is 100. Okay, now here I am writing the center here. Okay, center is equals to minus g comma minus f for this also. Okay, that means plus 11 and minus 2 is the center for this. Okay, and this one also I am writing as C and radius is R. Okay, so here radius is equals to R is equals to, what is the formula? G square plus F square minus C. Okay, this is equals to, what is G square minus 11 whole square? 121, 2 square is 4 minus C minus 100, 125 minus 100, 125 minus 100. What is 125 minus 100? That is 25. What is root 25 value? Okay, so we can write 5 square, square root cancel, so we get 5. This is the radius of the circle. Here we have two circles, that's why. Okay, so if it take C1, C2, R1, R2, that is better. Second circle center radius, I am taking C2 R2. First circle center and radius. Okay, I am taking as C1 and R1. C1 and R1. First circle center radius and second circle center radius taking as C2 R2. Okay. So now after finding this, find the distance. Find the distance. Okay. So here C1 C2 distance. C1 C2 distance is equals to under root of. Okay. So what is the formula here? Under root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus x2 y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, so now this is equals to under root of. Okay, so here the center minus 11 and 2 plus 11 and minus 2. Okay, so 11 minus of minus 11 becomes plus 7 and okay, so whole square and minus 2 minus 2. Okay, so y2 minus y1 minus 2 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. 11 plus 11 is okay, so 22. So 22 square and minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 whole square, minus 4 whole square. What is 22 square? 2 square 4, 2 to the 4 to the 8 we can write, and left side 2 square is 4 and 4 square is 16. Okay, so 484 plus 16, how much it is? Under root of 400 and add 16 to this, add 6 to this, 490 plus 10. Okay, so that is 500. That is 500. Okay, so 500 is nothing but, if you want you can keep like that, or otherwise we can simplify also. So 5 into 100, 100 is 10 squares. For 10 square root cancel, so 10 root 5 we can write, either 5 root 500 or this. Okay, so now try to find the value of R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2, here R1 is 15 and R2 is 5. Okay, so that means 15 plus 5 is 20. 15 plus 5 is 20. So here when we compare, okay, C1 C2 distance and R1 plus R2 distance. Okay, so here R1 plus R2 distance is 20. R1 plus R2 distance is 20 and C1 C2 distance is 10 root 5. 10 root 5. Okay, so that means it is more than 20. More than 20. Okay, C1 C2 distance is more. That means they are not intersecting. They are not intersecting. They are not touching. Okay, C1 C2 C1 otherwise, okay, if you have doubt like this, so just check like, you can check like this also, root 500. This is root 500. So root 20 we can write as the root of 20 whole square. Square root cancel again, so we get 20 only. So we can write it as root 20 square. So that means it is root 400 it is. Inside root, when we can compare easily, root 400, root 500, which is bigger? Root 500 is bigger, obviously. Okay, so like that also we can compare. Okay, so that means C1 C2 is greater. C1 C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2. Therefore, one is away from other. Okay, so the circles, one is away from another. Okay, so that means how we get the circles? Okay, so we get the circles. Okay, so like this. Okay, so we get one circle. Okay, and I'm taking the other circle. One circle radius is 15, one more circle radius is 5. Okay, so now here what is given, he is asking the direct common, okay, so equation of direct common tangent, equation of direct common tangent. Okay, so now I am taking the line here. Okay, so yeah. Common tangent means the line which touches both the circles, which touches both the circles is a common tangent here. Okay, I am taking like this. Okay, so and this is one more line. Okay, so these two are the direct common tangents. These two are the direct common tangents. Okay, so for these common tangents, the circles are one side. Both the circles are one side. Okay, so they are direct common tangents. Okay, so here we have the center and radius. Okay, we know the center and radius. First circle center. Okay, so that is minus 11 to 50. Minus 11 comma 2 and the radius is 50. And second circle center P2, that is the plus 11 and minus 2, and the radius R2 is equals to 5. R2 is equal to 5. Once if you observe carefully, okay, so all these lies on the same line. All these lies on the same line. Okay, so here what he is asking the equation of direct common tangents. Okay, so to find the direct common tangent, we have to find the external center of similitude. This is the external center of similitude. Okay, to find direct common tangent, direct common tangents, we have to find external center of similitude. External center of similitude. Okay, so that means what is external center of similitude? What is the formula here? And what is the ratio here? And how the point divides? Okay, so external center of similitude. Okay, so divides the ratio m is to n. Ratio m is to n is equals to r1 is to r2. Okay, that is nothing but 15 is to 5. 15 is to 5. So 15 is to 5 is nothing but we can cancel by 5 table. 5 1 is a 5 3 is a. Okay, so that means 15 is to 5 is nothing but 3 is to 1 ratio. Okay, externally it divides. Okay, this point divides the C1 C2 in the 3 is to 1 ratio externally. Okay, so now I am taking the formula here. What is external point of similitude formula? So that is P of x comma y is equals to, okay, mx2 minus nx1 divided by m minus n. Okay, comma my2 minus ny1 divided by m minus n is the formula here. Okay, now I am substituting the values here, m and n. So that is 3 into x2 minus 1 x1 divided by 3 minus 1 comma 3 y2 minus 1 into y1 divided by 3 minus 1. Okay, so what about x2, y2, y1? Okay, so substitute x2, x1, that is x2 11 and x1 is minus 11 and y2 is minus 2 and y1 is plus 2. Okay, so now substitute here and simplify. Okay, 3 into 11, 3 11s are 33, minus into minus plus 1 into 11 is 11 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, and 3 2 is 6, minus 6 and minus 2 divided by 2. Okay, so 33 plus 11 is okay, 44 divided by 2, 44 divided by 2 and minus 8 divided by 2. Okay, so that means we are getting 22 comma minus 4, 22 comma minus 4. This is the external center of similitude. This is the external center of similitude. After getting this point, external center of similitude, we have to take any one circle equation. And okay, so from the by using that circle equation, we have to find the okay, so equation of direct common tangent. Okay, so common tangent. Okay, for finding direct or transverse, we have only one common formula. Okay, so equation of common tangents. Common tangents. Okay, so we use for direct and transverse common tangents. Okay, here we are finding the equation of common tangents for direct common tangent. Direct common tangent. Okay, so what is the formula? What is the formula here? S into S double one is equals to S1 square is the formula here. S into S double one is equals to S1 square. This is the formula here. We are going to apply here. Okay, so now once again we'll take the circle. Okay, what is the circle here? S is equals to, what is the circle equation here? Okay, so take any one circle, x square plus y square plus 22x minus 4y minus 100. Okay, so plus 22x minus 4y minus 100. This is a circle I am taking now. S double one. What is S double one here? We just now we got the point, right? What is the point here? 22 comma minus 4 is the point. Okay, and P point is 22 comma minus 4. This is the external center of similitude. Okay, so we consider these values as x1 y1, x1 y1. Okay, now how do we find the value of S double one? S double one means in place of x, direct will substitute x1 and y1 values. Okay, that means okay, so 22 square plus y square means minus 4 whole square plus 22 into x, that is 22 minus 4 into y minus 4 minus 100. Okay, so that is equals to 22 square. How much? Right side number 2 square 4 and 2 to the 4 to the 8 and left side number 2 square 4. 4 minus 4 whole square is plus. Okay, 16. 22 into 22, that is 484. Just now we did minus the minus plus 4 for the 16 and minus 100 actually. Okay, 484 plus 16 is 500. 480 plus 16 is 500. 500, 500 and minus 100. Minus 100. Okay, 900 minus 100 is 10. Okay, so 1000 minus 100. Okay, that is 900. 900. This is S double one value. This is S double one value. Now we want the S1 value. What is S1 here? Okay, I am writing this x square as x into x. So writing the y square as y into y. Okay, and 22x. 22x we can write as 11 into 2x. 11 into 2x. 2x we can write again x plus x. Okay, and minus 4y, okay, I am writing as minus 2 into 2y. 2y is y plus y. Okay, and minus 100 is as c. Minus 100 is as c. Okay, now x into x1, y into y1, 11 into x plus x1 and minus 2 into y plus y1 and minus 100 as this. Okay, so now here, now in this, I am substituting the x1, y1 values, okay, from here. If we substitute x1, y1, x into x1 is 22 and plus y into y1 is minus 4 plus 11 into x plus x1, okay, that is 22 minus 2 into y plus y1, y minus 4 it is, okay, and minus 100. Okay, so 22 into x is 22x, 22x and minus 4y plus 11 into x, 11x, 11 into 22. Okay, so that is how much it is? 2 plus 2, 4. Okay, 242 and minus 2y, minus into minus plus 2 4 8 and minus 100. Now add the x term separately, y term separately, constant separately. 22x, 11x, that is 33. Okay, so write the 33x and minus 4y minus 2y, that is minus 6y. Okay, and the constants 242 plus 8, 250 minus 100, 150, 150. This is S1 value. I think 3 is common. We can write the 3 common. So 3 into 11. Okay, and 3 into 2, 6, and 3, okay, 5 times 50. Okay, so 3 into 15. This is S1. Now we have the values of S11 and S1. Okay, so what is the formula? S into S11 equals to S1 square. Okay, we can substitute and get the answer here. Okay, so now equation of direct common tangent. Equation of direct common tangent. Okay, so equation of direct common tangent. Direct common tangent. Okay, what is the formula? S into S11 is equals to S1 square. S1 square. Okay, so I am substituting the values. Okay, if you substitute the values by substituting the values, what is the circle here? X square plus y square minus 20. Here first circle we took here as 22 minus 4 minus 100 plus 22x minus 4y minus 100, right? Okay, this is S and S into S11. What is S11 value is equals to 900. Okay, into 900, right? 900 is equals to S1 square. What is S1 here? 3 into 11x minus 2y plus 50. Okay, so 3 into 11x minus 2y plus 50, right? 11x minus 2y plus 50. Okay, so this is S1 and square of this S1 square. We want S1 square. Okay, so now if you square here right side, 3 square is 9. 3 square becomes 9 and 9 into 11x minus 2y plus 50 whole square. So this square is applicable for both. Square is applicable for both for this and this separately. I did. Okay, 3 square is 9 and I written the square. Okay, so further separately. Okay, so whatever we have the left side, so I writing the left side function as is x square plus y square plus 22x minus 4y minus 100 into 900 into 900. Okay, so now 9 ones are 900 times. 9 ones are 9, 900 times is, okay, so 900. Okay, so now the right side part, we have a plus b plus c form. A plus b plus c form. We have the formula, okay, for a plus b plus c. What is the formula for a plus b plus c whole square? Okay, if you apply a plus b plus c whole square plus a square plus b square plus c square, okay, plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This is the formula here. This is the formula we are going to apply now. What is the formula? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is the formula here we are going to apply now. Okay, so if you apply here the same formula, here 11x whole square a square plus b square, that is minus 2y whole square, becomes plus only. Okay, so 2y whole square and c square, that is 50 whole square, and 2ab. Okay, 2 into a is 11x, b is minus 2y, b is minus 2y. Okay, 2bc plus 2 into b is minus 2y and c is 50. C is 50. 2ca plus 2 into c is 50 and a is 11x. Okay, 2ab, bc, ca. Okay, what about the left side part? Okay, left side part is as is 100 into x square, that is so 100 into x square is 100x square, 100 into y square, 100y square, 100 into 22, that is 2200x, 100 into 4 is minus 400y. Okay, minus 100 into 100, that is we get 4 zeros, 10,000. Okay, is equals to a plus b plus c whole square formula. Here a square 11x square plus b square minus 2y whole square, that is 4y square, and c square, that is okay, so 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25 and 0. Okay, that is 2500. C square value 50 square and minus 2ab, minus 2 into a is 11x, b is 2y. Okay, or otherwise you can take plus here and minus here. Okay, and 2bc minus 2y and 50, 2bc plus 2ca, 2 into c is 50 and a is 11x. Okay, now multiply here, 11 square is 121 x square and 4y square and plus 2500. Okay, plus 2 to the 4, 4 into 11 is 44 xy minus 2 to the 4, 4 5 is 20. Okay, so 20y plus, okay, so 2 5 are 100. Okay, so 2 into 50, 100, 100 into 11, that is 1100x. Okay, so left side we have, okay, 100x square plus 100 y square plus 2200 x minus 400y minus 10,000. Okay, so send all these left side terms to right side. Okay, so that is nothing but 121 x square plus 4y square plus 2500 plus 44 xy minus 20y plus 1100 x minus 100 x square minus 100 y square minus 2200 x plus 400y plus 10,000. Okay, equal to 0. 121 x square minus 100 x square, that is 21 x square. 4y square minus 100y square, that is minus 96 y square, 96 y square. And xy term we have here, that is 44 xy, 44 xy. And after that x term, that is 1100x minus 2200. 1100 minus 2200 minus 1100x. And y term. Okay, so y terms is okay, so here it is where is y term? This is y term. Okay, so 2 to the 4 4 5 are 20, 200 y it is. Okay, so 200 this is minus 200y and plus 400, that is plus 200 y and constant 2500 and 10,000, 12,500 plus 12,500, okay, equal to 0. This is only the required equation, direct common tangent. Understood? Understood, ma? Required equation of
Yes, sir.
direct common tangent. Okay.